This is a tutorial for the online Virtual Eval tools that are available for the Precision Sigma Delta converters. These tools are available at playground.analog.com.
The tools are useful because they allow you to visually see the performance and functionality of the Precision Sigma Delta converters, and within a few minutes you can determine whether the part is suitable for your application. I will use the AD7124-4 for the tutorial. The landing page for each of the ADCs is a block diagram. The block diagram is interactive and certain blocks on the part can be selected. So when you click on one of the blocks, the appropriate section in the accordion is opened. For this tutorial, I will use a channel count of 2, so 2 channels are enabled, and I will set the PGA gain to 2 also.
The online tool uses the same configuration for each channel. The online tool also flags out-of-bound conditions, so this ensures you configure the part within specification. The Waveform tab shows the variation in output conversions from the ADC.
Note that the x-axis can be altered between samples and time, and the y-axis can be changed between volts and codes. The results section shows the RMS noise, peak-to-peak noise, and RMS resolution for the configuration that I have selected. And this tab also shows the typical analog and digital currents. The histogram tab shows the distribution of the conversions. So in the results section, you can see the minimum, the max, and the mean conversions returned. The HFF tab shows the filter response, again for the configuration that I have selected. The plot shows the location of the notches for the sync filter, in our case a sync 4 filter. The position of these notches can be important,
as you can use these notches to reject frequencies. In the frequency response section, you can enter the frequencies you want to review, along with the rejection bandwidth.
So for example, the rejection at 50 and 60 Hz would be important if you are designing a system that will be operated from the mains power supplies and you want to reject interference from the mains.
The Step Response tab shows the output conversions when continuously converting on a single channel and a step change occurs on the analog input. The Step Response section allows you to enter the start voltage, the stop voltage, and the position at which the step change occurs relative to the conversion process. Note that there are several conversions that are not completely settled. We are using a sync 4 filter, so there will be 4 to 5 conversions that are not settled. So it's only the 5th or 4th conversion that is settled. The Timing tab shows how the conversions are output from the ADC. We enabled 2 analog input channels, so the results section shows the time for the very first conversion and the time for the subsequent conversions. The timing diagram at the bottom of the tab shows how the conversions from the 2 channels are interleaved. Note there are 2 buttons in the bottom right-hand corner. Via these buttons you can access the latest datasheet for the product, or also you can access details on how to purchase an evaluation board. The final tab is the Help tab, and all help information is provided here.